Video number 94, solving exponentials with base e. Quick review, ln of e equals 1. We need to remember that. One of the reasons we know that is because ln equals log base e. So log base e of e equals 1, whenever these two numbers were the same, the exponent has to be 1. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do the natural log on both sides of the equation. Alright? That's going to allow us to bring the x squared down in front. Okay? Pretty basic. Now, what's nice about this is ln of e is 1, so we just kind of cancel that down, or just say, okay, x squared times 1 is x squared, so we get x squared equals ln 500. Then we're going to do the square root of both sides. We get x equals plus or minus 2.49. Pretty straightforward. You just have to know that ln of e is 1. Now, here's one that's kind of interesting. You have e to the 2x plus 3 times e to the negative 5x. So you have two e bases being multiplied together. Well, what do we know? Whenever the bases are the same, you're allowed to what? Add the exponents together. Just a real quick review. We know that x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th because you just add the exponents together. So we're going to add those exponents to get negative 3x plus 3. Alright? Now, we divide both sides by the e here. Okay, so this e is going to be gone. Now, you have negative 3x plus 3 for the exponent for e in the numerator, and e to the first in the denominator. Well, whenever you have the same base, you can what? Subtract the exponent, so negative 3x plus 3 minus 1. That'll give you negative 3x plus 2 for the exponent. Alright? Now, you do the ln of both sides, natural log, and you get ln of e to the 3x plus 2 equals ln 9. Well, if you bring this exponent down in front, now you have negative 3x plus 2 times ln e. What's ln e? That's 1. Okay, so now you have 1 times all of this. Alright, that's going to bring you here. Then all you have to do is subtract 2 and divide by negative 3, and you get negative 0.066. Alright, so there's a couple natural log equations. Here's one more we can do. Let's see if we can squeeze this in. We've got e to the absolute value of x equals 600. Well, we're going to do the same thing. You're going to do the natural log on both sides. Then bring the exponent down in front. ln of e is 1. 1 times the absolute value of x is just simply the absolute value of x. Basically what we're doing is we're always doing the natural log on both sides. So then now you have the right side equals ln 600. And how do you solve an absolute value equation? Well, the answer is just simply plus or minus whatever is on the right side. If this was absolute value of x equals 5, you have two answers. X equals plus or minus 5. So you just plus or minus ln 600, which is negative 6.40. Alright? Any questions or concerns? Please send me an email, and sweet times.